Ever since I was introduced to a computer as a child, I have been fascinated by the endless possibilities that technology offers. Its ability to shape our world has inspired me to explore and become an integral part of the field. Growing up in Afghanistan, I quickly realized the limited opportunities in IT, especially for women. My passion for this field grew stronger, despite cultural barriers and societal norms. My cultural background taught me resilience and the importance of community. In a society where gender roles are rigidly defined, I had to push through stereotypes to pursue my dream. Despite the challenges, I am committed to paving the way for future generations of Afghan women in IT. Together we can break down barriers and create a more inclusive and diverse industry.